Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today we have my Allure box for the month of December to go over together. So for those of you who don't know, Allure is a beauty subscription. It does cost $23 a month. It does include shipping. I do believe they ship to other countries, but the price varies on where you live. Also, they do include 3 full-size items. They include also deluxe size items in this box, so it's kind of hard to give like a total box value. So we won't be doing that for this in particular box, but I will be telling you how much each full-size item is. I'll look that up in the book as we go. But let's go ahead and get started here. This is my box. This is what it comes in every month. And it always comes with like a little magazine with the products inside and prices for you if you're interested in getting like full-size versions of it or the full-size versions, the prices of them. And it looks like we have a little, I'm not sure what this is, a little flyer thing. I normally just toss these. I don't really pay attention to them. The first thing I'm pulling out looks like it's a deluxe size item, and it's a Lightning Wand Dark Spot Brightening Serum. So I love serums. I don't really have a lot of dark spots, but I can always keep it because you never know. Or I might give it a giveaway. I'm not really sure yet, but there is that. Let's see, I'm really excited to see some of those full-size items. For the first time ever that I've had Allure, we got to actually choose something. So we got to choose the color of our Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, which was really neat. And I actually picked a darker color because I don't have too many crazy dark lip liners. So let's go ahead and get into that. Charlotte Tilbury, I haven't been able to try her yet because she is a little bit more high-end. I'm all for trying it. Let's see how much this one's valued at. $22 for this lip pencil. So I guess like that's right up there with the other stuff too, but let's get this out of here. Okay, I do like the packaging. It's almost like a copper color packaging. It's like a gel pencil, and it's almost like a brownish reddish color. It was kind of hard to tell online what it would look like, but here it is. Which I do have some lip products that would actually match this, so I'm looking forward to that. At least I have something else to line my lips. I hate not having a lip liner when I put on lipsticks. Okay, next up is a palette from Floss. This is another full-size item. It's an Eyeshadow Squad, and it's clean beauty, so that's good to know. Let's get this opened up. Let's see the value of this actually. This is valued at $24 for this eyeshadow palette. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of the packaging. The packaging to me looks super cheap. Floss is a really good brand for like lip products. I haven't been able to try their eyeshadows yet, and I'm hoping that the formula will shine and it's not going to really matter about the packaging, because sometimes it doesn't really matter as long as the product works good. If I can get this open. Okay, I do like the colors in here. They are very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and get some swatches of this and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I wasn't like super impressed with the mattes, but I really like the shimmers, especially this pink rose gold one. It almost matches the Ipsy bag this month right here. So I'll be letting everyone know how I think this palette performs next week in my reviews. And then we have, I'm not sure what the other, I think this is the other full-size item in here. I'm not really sure. Okay, so this is the other full-size item, and this is actually valued at $50. This is a Universal Pro Bio Moisturizer Boost Cream, which I'm always down for a good moisturizer. Always love trying new ones. Okay, and this is the inside packaging. It is like it's fragrance-free, dermatologist tested for all skin types. And it does have a seal on it, which is nice. And it is like, I mean, it does have a scent to it, but barely anything at all. Oh, it has hyaluronic acid in it. Awesome. If you guys don't know, the hyaluronic acid actually helps prevent fine lines, wrinkles, and helps your skin absorb moisture better. So that's kind of neat that it's actually inside of a moisturizer. Normally I put it on like in a serum, Next up is an eye cream, Revitalize and Firm from Neolastin. I think this is a deluxe size item, but to me this is like full size because eye creams you don't really need that much. It is sealed again in here. It doesn't have any scent to it. There's that. They do normally put a lot more skincare than makeup in here. I'm okay with it because I really like skincare. So if you're not really like skincare friendly, I don't recommend this box. But if you do like skincare with a little bit of makeup here and there, I do recommend it. Looks like we have a Perfect Night Sleep Magnesium Body Butter. Ooh. English Lavender, Sweet Basil, and Jasmine. See what this smells like, because I'm definitely going to be using this. My skin gets so dry this time of year. It smells good. It has like a soft floral scent to it. It almost smells like something they would put on you at the spa. I'm just letting everyone know that. Like, if you're not a super huge fan of like herbally smells, you probably won't like it. I like it. I like how I smell when I come out of the spa. So for me, it's good. Healing Ointment Skin Protector from Cetaphil, which is a brand that you can buy at like Walgreens or Walmart. It's for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. Protects and relieves, free of mineral oil, fragrance, and suitable for babies even. It's kind of nice to include stuff in here that like the whole family can use. So that's that. That's everything I got in the box. They put a decent amount of stuff in there this month. So super excited to try all this stuff out. That's everything I had for you today. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.